pocket, right here.
I still do that, don't worry.
Okay, do your introduction. Okay, Josh, you gonna introduce?
Josh, you gonna do the introduction?
No, I'm the boss of the place.
Okay, boss.
Hey, boss.
And since you're the boss, that means
What
you're
does the boss
MC.
do?
That means I get attention.
Okay, we're ready to hear a song. Can you play me a
Wrap it up.
song?
In just a moment.
Just a moment. Okay.
Just a moment.
Wait, this is the Barack Obama thing that's happening.
This is the commercial break. This is what goes on when we're watching the commercial.
I have a disco.
Is this an artistic moment, Joshy? So we have to focus and we have to, what do you think, Josh?
Yeah, and now we have a disco ball.
We have a
Disco ball.
Yeah, baby.
Okay. Where's he
Are
seen
you
a
ready?
disco ball?
Okay, what's next?
Twinkle, twinkle, come on, do twinkle,
We want you to
twinkle.
play the guitar.
Just a second.
I like twinkle, twinkle. Matthew, can we sing twinkle, twinkle?
Twinkle, twinkle, little
No.
star.
No.
I want
No.
to
No,
know
you don't.
your
Let's see
answer.
it.
No.
Above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, little star, how
Aggravating the kids.
we're being reprimanded.
I thought that was quite good.
Okay,
Okay.
Matthew sings it.
Okay,
All
now
right,
you
okay, you
sing.
sing it now, man.
My turn.
Have I sing it?
Good catch.
Alright, so what are you going to sing?
He's fearless.
Yeah, see that.
He's like the Bolden chain.
Oh my goodness gracious. Above the world so high.
He said,
How about
no.
no, he said.
Do we
like patty cake? I love patty cake. Ready?
That's Evan's favorite.
Bakers.
But every time Evan sees me, he starts to roll in his arms.
You don't like to roll?
That's his favorite.
You got 11 minutes. Wrap it up.
Let's go. Play the music. Come on, play guitar.
Play the
11
guitar,
minutes
honey.
before the cake is cooked.
You're gonna go home and then you're gonna be mad
Okay, Josh,
because you
play
didn't
the
play the
guitar.
guitar.
No, I don't. I'm the boss, remember?
So you're
Well,
not gonna
boss,
play the
we,
guitar.
tighten up. Let's make it happen.
Even the boss has a boss, remember that.
Are we gonna have cake after this?
We're going to
No,
have cake tomorrow, honey.
Tomorrow, honey.
It's
Honey,
not. We
you
gotta
know why,
finish the
Josh?
cake.
You know what, honey?
It won't be ready.
Tomorrow's
It'll
not.
be too hot tonight. We gotta
You
let
know
it
when my
sit.
birthday is?
Ann's birthday is tomorrow.
Tomorrow is my birthday.
You gonna help her blow out the candles?
She's
Joshy, who's the boss?
She's having a birthday.
The smoke up bar Soho. It's got your name on the front door.
53 tomorrow.
So.
Hey, Josh, who's the boss? It'll be okay. You know? Who's the boss? Once I turned 50, it was like, you know, I'm
Bruce
50 years
Springsteen.
old. That's right. Exactly. I can do what I want. I can dress the way I want. I can act the way I want. And if
For some
anybody
reason,
says
we're
anything,
right?
That's right.
That's right.
You get to be 50 for some reason. You start to mellow out.